Close.
Banshee boat for everything boating.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, so you always leave your hatch open. It takes 15 seconds to open your hatch, right? Keep your blowers on for a while. Get rid of all the fumes and everything else because it is kind of like a time bomb you're sitting on. And then as soon as you're ready, and then when you're in the marina and you want to be nice, you can hit your silencers.
Okay. So that's just like a shoot off of the exhaust that closes the valve to the muffler. Okay. Wow.
Put your engine hatch down.
Oh, that's nice and silent, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we ain't going yet.
You can just throw that rope in there. Right here? Yeah. Just gotta get the buoy off though.
Down on tight.
Yeah.
Put up a garage.
When I hit the throttles, you better be sitting down.
What's going on with your throttles there?
Both gears and forward.
Okay.
And then these are my throttles. So as soon as we hit this white marker here, what you got to do is you got to get the boat up on plane as quick as possible, because if you don't, you plow water and you just waste fuel.
Okay.
So get rid of your hats and there are goggles downstairs.
Okay.
For when you're really going. These things here are called white knuckler racks.
Holy man.
This is nuts. It banks like a race car too, eh?
I love it, bro. I love it. This is awesome, man.
They're forward, okay? Middle is neutral, back is reverse. boat's reversed. You get it and grab this one?
Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next week. This is Banshee Boat signing out.